Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust your curve speed on CapCut PC. So you're just going to go to speed and you're going to select curve and you're going to select customize. They also have like a montage one here, time, bullet, jump cut, flash in, and flash out as well. But if you want to customize it, you can just go to customized here. I'm just going to adjust the video a little bit so I can see. Then I'm going to select this bit right here and move it either up or down. So if I move this up, it will make the video faster. If I move it down, it's going to slow it down a little bit, and I can just like adjust it between the videos. And I can even add in like another I don't know what it's called, but you can like add in like one of these circles to either like make it slower or faster. You can move only like half of it as well if you'd like to, and just like keep on adding until you're done. And that's basically it. You can also add in a smooth slow motion if you have a slow motion part on your video. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!